Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing everything that lets connect teams work right away. First, install the latest app on your device and sign in with your work or school account so settings sync. Once done, grant camera, microphone, and notification permissions to avoid prompts during calls. Also make sure your network is stable, aim for at least 5 Mbps upload, disable restrictive VPNs. These steps unlock the interface and save time, so you can move straight into building teams and channels without permission or connectivity surprises. Now you create the structure that matches how you work. You build a team by naming it, choosing privacy, and assigning owners to delegate admin tasks. This prevents access issues later. Next, add channels per project or topic and choose standard or private visibility to control who sees sensitive threads. Once channels exist, integrate the calendar, shared files, and any bots or apps that automate work. Make sure to configure channel notification levels so you get important alerts without noise. That keeps communication efficient. Finish by inviting members and assigning owner or member roles so responsibilities are clear. Post a welcome message with links and expectations. Then schedule a short test meeting to confirm screen sharing, audio and video across typical devices. This avoids surprises in live sessions. Once everyone is comfortable, pin key channels and back up important files to your integrated storage. If something goes wrong, try clearing the app cache and restarting. That resolves most sync, sign-in, and permissions errors quickly so you can continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.